Hello and welcome to Measurement Vignette number 25 from Duncan Cartledge Online. In this short presentation, we will discuss the measurement of tapering walls in brickwork according to New Rules of Measurement 2. This is a tapering wall, and at first glance, you may think that it looks complicated to measure, involving splitting the cross-section into measurable shapes. However, for once, NRM2 has gone for the pragmatic approach. All you have to do is add the thickness of the wall at the top and the bottom together and find the average. Here is the relevant page from NRM2, and as shown, tapering walls are described using their average thickness. Note that the method of forming refers to the mandatory information section of masonry. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates and releases.